Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in adobe.com/express and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. Now within this page, you can click on Get Adobe Express Free. This will then take you into Adobe Express dashboard. You can answer the questions that you are asked and then click through the next buttons. After choosing your desired options, click on the next button once again and complete through the wizard. Now within any point, if you are asked to sign in, you can use your Google account by just clicking on the Google account option. And after your account information has been allowed, by your confirmation, you will be able to access your dashboard. And now you can see your Google account information associated with your account at the top right corner. You may check your inbox of the Google account that you use to see if you find any verification email. If you do, then you will need to click on the link in order to verify your account creation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.